Fasting may provide several health benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control. Here are 5 main health benefits of fasting. Let's start. Number 1. Fasting helps weight loss. Fasting can be a safe way to lose weight. Intermittent fasting, that is controlled within a set number of hours, allows body to burn through fat cells more effectively than just regular dieting. Number 2. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity. Fasting has shown to have a positive effect on insulin sensitivity, allowing you to tolerate carbohydrates, sugar better than if you didn't fast. After a period of fasting, insulin becomes more effective in telling cells to take up glucose from blood. Number 3. Fasting speeds up metabolism. Intermittent fasting can regulate your digestion and promote healthy bowel function and improving your metabolic function. Intermittent fasting gives your digestive system a rest, and this can energize your metabolism. Number 4. Fasting improves your brain function. Fasting has shown to improve brain function because it boosts the production of protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Number 5. Fasting improves your immune system. Intermittent fasting improves the immune system because it reduces free radical damage, regulates inflammatory conditions in the body, and starves of cancer cells formation. In nature, there is primal instinct to reduce stress on their internal system so their body can fight off infection.